This is Hayden's first orange. Is it good? Mmm. Yeah. Is it good? You don't know what to do. No. Is that funny? Want to turn it around? Does it feel kind of funny? All right, I'm just going to flip it over. There you go. No, come on. Let me have that part. Sweetie. It's all right. Here. Are you happy now? No? You want my hand off your tray? Can I have it? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You want it back? Yay! Say yummy? Can you say yummy? So yummy. You want mommy to take it? You're silly. No? No?